at this. Look at this. Matching this kind of the same. Okay. So yeah, I'll eat you whenever you call me pretty. Welcome back to our channel, Jaguar! My name's Janatria. My name's Yuda. And today we're going to make coronavirus protection masks. They're so fun. Yuda, do you want to put on the example one? Yeah, I'll put it on mine. Yeah, and I'll put it on mine. So these ones you can make from paper tissues, antibacterial ones. What you do is to get the antibacterial, you put it on a radiator as we did over there, and you can make it from these nano tissues. We'll be showing you these 3 different ways. Make sure you stay tuned for the end because we've got double protection ones, so you have to. And also we're decorating them. Yeah, we're decorating them, so you have to see our design. Otherwise, we'll be mad at you. Yeah. But which one do you want to do first? Except for the antibacterial, because they have to try. Yeah. I'll do that one. That one. That one. Okay, so what you do first with your toilet? This is the one. We mostly did all of them with this, but yeah, we're still going to do other wipes. Okay, so you take one of toilet roll each. Yeah. Only one. Only one. And what you do? Now you do a fan. Yeah. Make it as a. Make sure it's not like too big, but not too thin. And we're making like these types. But these ones are like we're going to decorate them. Not like we're not decorating them. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. Okay. Once you've done that, we get our bubble. What colour should I choose? I'm going to choose purple. I'm going to do white. I don't really like pink that much. Yeah, I don't. Doesn't suit me. Like no, sure I hate pink. You hate pink? Yeah, I hate pink. Okay, so pink is good. One more thing, make sure you use thin ones. Make sure you use thin ones, not these thick ones. Because yeah, we have thick ones. We don't use them because you know it's hard for the staple to go through, like how you was doing it. And also, make sure you don't put that too wide. Otherwise it can shorten this and it won't fit over your mouth. So make sure you put it like approximately 1 centimetre. Yeah, like that. So, Juba, what's the plan? Are we going to like make them all, then decorate them all? Yeah. Okay. We might decorate these two first, then we might do that. So it's up to us what the mood we are in. Yeah. So I'm going to try mine on. Oh, for God's sake. One of my bubbles. That's it? Yeah. I never like staple. Oh, one more thing. Don't do the same mistake as me. Make sure you staple on the bubble. Otherwise, there's no point stapling. It doesn't have to be exactly on the bottom. Okay? Widen. Make sure you widen like this. Like a bowl. So it becomes like a bowl. Put your mouth through it. Oh my God. What happened? What's happening? So first, you just make a hole and then put your mouth through it. Make sure your nose comes in it too because you know. Yeah. Okay. Let's try this one more time to see if it works. Yeah. Or you can just do another one. Yeah, I'll just do this one. Don't staple it exactly on the bubble. See, I never really zipped it. Actually, let's hope this one works. Just make sure the bubble's safe in it. Finally! Okay, let's make this one now. Yeah. We'll decorate them like all. Them are quite good. Well, yeah, they are quite good actually. So now we're going to use pocket tissues. Yeah. So you can carry them around. Yeah. So take one pocket tissue. Actually, and we'll do the exact same as this. But it just may be a little smaller. Yeah, so this like this. First step, you just fold it with So this is big, this is medium, this is big, and then this is small. So this might be like for adults, and like switch, and you can like just So, but let's first do this, okay?
This time I'm going to choose purple again. But there's no purples.
Yeah, there is.
But there's no purpose for my next thing, only one. I'll just go.
Okay. I'm going to do a yellow. It looks more like green. Who cares? We can colour in the bubbles. So,
If you want, I'm keeping my purple one. I'm going to choose blue. Next time I'm going to choose pink. I know, it's my April. For the best one, I'm choosing my worst colour.
that doesn't make sense.
No. So I'm going to choose pink for this one, and I'm going to save the blue. Looks like I like blue.
Yeah, her favourite colour used to be blue. Like, used to be blue.
Oh, now it is.
Well, I mean, you used to hate purple. Let's just not.
No, I never.
Yes, you did.
No, I never.
Let's not get into an argument.
I know what I did, and I never used to hate purple.
I mean, fair enough. They're actually the same size. It's just these ones are more softer than kitchen towel. So I would prefer these ones.
This is mine. This is my test.
This is hard. This is a little longer, so it's easy. This is like going to take so much attempts. Yes.
Yeah.
This feels so much softer than the other ones, right?
I know.
This feels so much softer.
Look at this. Look at this. Imagine this kind of the same.
Okay.
So yeah. I'll eat you up whenever you call me pretty. That's not really. My heart goes pitter patter. This is getting small.
Turn, I stir you.
Okay, let's add black pants.
And for this one, oh my god. This is fine.
So my one taped off.
Well, I've got a clever idea. Remember, as I said on my third one, I will never tape off because it's got two of the same wipes. So it's extra protective. So do you want to make them now?
Yeah.
Let's go. So before this video, we got antibacterial wipes. You'll need this. Before the video, we put these antibacterial wipes on the radiator to get all of this stuff on. So yeah, that's over there.
Yeah.
Let's go and get them. So, and then this two is mine.
Oh.
So, we're going to do the exact same thing, but as we said, it's double protection.
Yeah.
Just got two.
Yeah.
But let's first do it.
Yeah. So
What are
yeah.
you waiting for?
What are we waiting for? What are we waiting? What are we waiting for? Bubbles? So I'm gonna do blue.
Okay, and I think I admit it, but this pink is actually quite cool. I like the dark pink better. Is there even a difference?
Cool.
I don't think there's a difference. No, there's a light pink right here. Light pink's so much nicer. Sorry, I was talking to myself.
That's okay. Can I have your attention now? Can I have...
Is it nice?
It's so soft.
I know.
Look at this one. Compared to this one. And this one. Compared to this one.
By the way, you haven't made a new one.
Yeah. But that one actually broke, and then I made a new one.
You just make it as a bowl.
That's cool. When can we decorate them?
You can decorate yours now. I'm just trying to put this one on.
This one's made with kitchen too. This one's hand,
Like pocket tissues?
yeah, and this one's antibacterial.
But let's decorate! Which colours
Yeah.
do you want to use? So it's time to decorate, but these are the ones that we've made. So we're going to decorate. Eva, what colours do you want to use?
Okay, I'm gonna use,
Which one do you think was the best?
I think that one and then that one
Yeah.
and then one.
Yeah. First, second, third.
Yeah.
Let's decorate.
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you want to decorate first?
So I want to
I want
decorate.
to decorate this one.
Yeah.
We'll save this one for all our effort. Let's go. So we're going to open up these. So we've got these and we're going to use the pens to decorate. So let's get decorating.
I think if you want like it to show when you're wearing it, I think you'll have to wear it like this and decorate it like that. So this is where you have to decorate. Oh, so messy.
Mine's only got 2 colours. I did it so wrong. Is that okay? And I did it the right way. Like, is the blue up here? You can't see my face, smile. I just
I want to do a rainbow. So red, this is not red. Can we swap here? Red and orange and yellow and green and green. Blue, blue, blue. No, this is blue actually. Blue and purple too. I'm gonna use pink. Okay. Can I get red? We'll just pick the red. That's good. Red and orange and yellow and green. Blue and purple too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this is purple. No, I like that purple one. I'm not doing a rainbow. I'm just using the rainbow colours. It's leaking. Doesn't matter. Making just wings. It's a mistake. What? Doesn't matter. I'm gonna do it. And see the sun in this. I forgot. Just dots. colours are so good on this. It's not really too good on mine. I just don't split this really. So I don't want to copy yours, I just by doing dots. That's okay.
This is the cool one because the colours will show. This is the pretty one because like it's colourful. This one is the black one because we want to keep one blank.
I will wear this one.
I want to wear this one first.
Okay.
Let's wear the fabric one. No, let's keep the fabric one for the end.
Yeah,
like
that's
least favourite to favourite.
Okay, so this is my least favourite.
So I wish that we decorated this one and we left this one blank.
Why?
Because this one isn't really good fabric. These are the colourful masks. And then these are the normal masks. And then these are the black masks.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please keep safe from the coronavirus and we'll see you guys in our next video. What are we doing in our next video? We don't know. See you guys there. Bye.